Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I to like or to comment to any profile, video or live stream on TikTok that you want. So here, this is my software that I use. So first, I have account management. This function you have to add and manage a limited TikTok account. So you will see here I have many TikTok account. So you just to add it in the software. So the software will auto manage it for you. So you can choose the account that you want and you log in, and the software will auto log in for you. So here, when you choose log in to the account that you want, the software will auto open browser like this, and will also log in to the account that you want. Okay, to auto like or to comment to the video, profile, or live stream that you want, I will go to setting version. And here you can choose many options in here, like setting by profile, setting video, or setting live stream. So in this video, I will show you how I setting live stream. So I will set up the basic configuration. So first is number of threads. Number of threads means number of account running in the same time. And space between two action, I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds. And I will enter the link of the live stream in here. And you can choose many options of configuration in here, like for live stream account or stop time, or like live stream or copy link live stream, or you can comment to the live stream, and you can enter the live stream that you want in here. Next, I will select the account that I want to setting to the live stream. Here, after everything is set up, I will press start and let the software do the work. And you can see the software will auto open browser like this, and will auto log into the TikTok account, and will go to the link of the live stream that I enter to the configuration, and will auto like, auto comment to the live stream. And so basically, I just show you how I auto like, auto comment on the TikTok. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me to my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.